What'd you do?
We're gonna be late to the show. Isn't that funny, the song they're just playing when you pulled up? He was nice. Thankfully. We are out here, day 2. Well, you're gonna be in the video with me, Emily? She hates
sorry,
me.
I was looking.
Out in the video. Out of Daytona, day 2. It is about to storm here, as you can tell. Something pretty serious, but the guy going to buy my Escalade is taking a look at it today. I'm out of breath. I haven't even walked that far. I'm excited. He's coming to take a look at it today, and it's a little trash, just a little bit. Really needs cleaned on the inside and outside, even though they did the outside yesterday. I drove it, and it rained. So me and Emily are going to touch it up and church it up the best that we possibly can, and hopefully miss this rain. Yeah, and you guys probably drove this here, right?
Of course we drove it. We pulled the trailer, and if we broke down, we had to call somebody.
That is awesome.
Dude, that's amazing. That's like the paisley that I want in my suspension.
I love that.
Puts her belt on the line against Jessica.
No videoing allowed? Oh, dang.
We cleaned your new truck.
Is he being serious? I'm not allowed to video?
No, he's not.
Yeah, thank you for cleaning my new truck. I'm about to take it for a test drive. I'm going to take it to the nearest In-N-Out. See you guys in like 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. I get to fucking test drive. She's buying Colby's truck.
It's right here.
Yeah, with the Chick-fil-A and the...
Oh, perfect. You got me nuggets, too. There's literally nuggets in here. There's nuggets in here. I'm not even playing. What? Did you get me chicken nuggets, too? Yeah, thank you. No.
You can have
Don't mind us, we're just waiting out the rain and literally detailing.
Oh my god, look how much better that already looks.
So much better. Emily says, are you done with this coffee? I said no. She goes, well, I just threw trash in it.
My bad.
Last time, she drove it last night.
The new owner of my Escalade. So sad. Bittersweet.
Sad? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh my gosh, he says, you want to tell them?
That's our next theme, Bill.
Look what it is, guys.
So I watch your videos.
Oh my god. My videos and he knows I love. Wait, is that a dump truck?
That's a dump truck.
It's a black dump. That is so freaking cool.
And you gotta murder it out.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. We're gonna put this in the shop. Thank you.
That can be her card holder.
Have him sign it.
Yeah, will you sign it?
Yeah.
We could put your business cards in it.
Wait, is that you on Instagram?
That's me.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice to meet you.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, you're awesome.
And then you turn me on to Andy.
Yes.
Remember what I told you?
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. like, that quote is awesome. I'm like, that's Andy Frisella. You gotta watch the MFCEO Project podcast or listen to it, and he's been listening to it.
Yeah.
That is so awesome. Thank you so
Where are you from?
much.
I'm from Lake City, Florida.
That is awesome.
right around the
and he's
corner
like,
here.
just because you turned me on to Andy, I'm gonna bring you Taco Bell gift card. And I thought you were playing, but you're not. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Kobe said he's applying for a job over here. Reppin'. Give us your best, like, you know.
I don't have any dance moves.
You have no dance moves.
No.
Oh man, okay.
You can follow me on Instagram though.
Yeah, follow him on Instagram. Shout it out. What is it?
At Cam_Long5.
Hey, there we go. What's up? You want to be in my vlog? Yeah, for sure. Check out her shirt, guys. Daytona Truck Meet, tacos repeat. That's what's up.
Who's going?
I have not seen him since we met at Escalade. She looks different, doesn't she?
She has spinners.
Yes. Let's check him out. Hey.
I love it.
Wait, we did the wrong one. My bad.
Oh yeah, don't mind that missing lug nut. Don't mind that.
We're riding spinners.
I love it.
Those are cool.
They are super cool.
Hopefully, someone's taking her home tomorrow.
Wait, someone bought them?
What do we got? We got a pair of keys. So, my man here fell in love. All right, so we're here at Lacey, Blair's. We're all selling merchandise. So my man here fell in love, right? How long were y'all together? About 3 years.
Okay,
Bought a house together.
So you bought a house.
Bought a house.
So you decided to get the keys of the house tattooed on you.
Yeah.
Old State Road.
God.
What's her name? Tell the camera her name.
No, we're good.
No, we ain't talking about that.
Don't do it. Come on.
Love
What?
it.
You know what? The biggest pain in my ass.
Oh, that's a good one.
Getting in the Jeep right now. Emily's driving because I'm exhausted. The boys are in the back because they're peasants. No, I'm just kidding.
But they are.
My lips are sunburned so bad.
Can we-
Look, literally. Anyways, we're in a Jeep. Sold the Escalade. Can't move
Sad.
it. Didn't know that this morning was going to be the last time we're going to drive it. So we went out with a bang, getting pulled over. 7-Eleven, getting some snacks. Got to do a little quick mail touch up. We're multitasking.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We're just trying to eat Rice Krispie treats.
We're literally going to be late for the show for sure.
And now we're getting pulled over. But we don't have.
I don't have my plates with me at all. Not good. Not good.
Alright, well, let's
Can you
get.
see the lights?
No, you can't see the lights.
Here, just set the phone down.
How's it going?
Hi, good. How are you?
In the state of Florida, at all times, you have to have a registration on your vehicle.
Yes, it's a show vehicle, and I towed it from out of town, and I don't have my plate with me. That's what I was just telling her. I
Is there
was
a
like,
plate that's supposed to be on here?
yes, yeah, I
Do you have
have plates.
registration?
I don't with me. No, I sure don't.
You have
Yeah, I'm
anything
just
with you?
on the way to the show. I have my proof of insurance.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll pull that up.
And a license.
Yes.
Can't see them. We can only see you.
That, and then I've got the insurance on my phone here.
You know, what state is the registration in?
Missouri.
Can you,
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Let's see. But you can hold it if you want. Maybe
I
if
don't
you
want
want
to break the phone.
to zoom.
All right, give me 1 second.
Okay. If that's the worst I do all weekend.
Literally.
He's making sure I got some pigs to do it for the gram, guys. I need a good YouTube thumbnail. Are you the Far From Stock photographer? Oh, okay, cool. Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm vlogging, trying to make some money while we're getting pulled over.
This is great.
On you in the state of Florida.
Okay.
2 tickets, $116 for both.
Okay.
I'm not going to write you either of those. I'm going to give you a warning, but you're probably going to get pulled over again if you don't make it there.
Probably, yeah.
There's that.
We just need to park it.
Yeah, I can't fit my truck and trailer like into anything, honestly, so I just really haven't had a choice but to drive it.
Yeah.
But I should have brought my plates and just stuck them on if I needed to drive
Yeah,
it.
you stick the plate on and
Yeah.
that doesn't give anyone any reason to look. But the fact that there's no plate on it, it looks stolen.
Yeah.
You have any questions?
No, I don't think so.
All right, please
Thank
drive.
you so much. Have a good day. Well, my type, but would not have wanted to pay $116 a piece for those tickets, but.
Thank you. Come again.
Anyways, yeah, great day. Met a lot of people. It was so cool. I'll probably be emotional about it sometime later. Okay, bye. Is the dash cracked? You're lying. Oh! You're lying. What? You're lying. Let's see it. Up a little bit. Is it covered? Is it covered? Huh?
I'm proud of you.
Proud. I wish I had another burger. For real, I'm sad it's gone.
Eat your pie.
Yeah, I think I'm going to.
Twix pie?
Yeah, what do you know about that?
I don't know anything about no Twix pie. I wouldn't ask if I would have known something about
Well,
it.
you ain't getting none, that's for sure.
Empty, what are you doing?
I want to be ugly, but I want to put my toes in the sand, okay?
And it's raining too. Got a couple of snails, crabs, whatever you want to call them, headed for the ocean.
Should I silly salmon into the ocean?
Do it.
Okay.
You won't. You won't.
You're gonna take that.
She can't even get out.
He's pissing her pants right now, guarantee it. I blew my knee out.
Silly salmon injuries over here.
I'm out of breath, guys. Hang on.
Battle wounds. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad's it hurt?
Honestly, not near as bad as my sunburn from today. It's about a 1. I'm also tough. I don't know if you remember that or not.
You're tough? Like Chuck Norris tough?
No, like Lacey Blair tough.
Oh, so that's even tougher.
Obviously, don't you know?